Did you know that your routine trips to the grocery store, your daily coffee run, or even just filling up your gas tank could be secretly making you richer? It sounds too good to be true, but if you're using a Capital One rewards card for your everyday spending, you're doing exactly that. And if you aren't, you're leaving free money on the table. Most people think of rewards cards only for big purchases or travel, but the real magic is in the small, consistent transactions that make up your monthly budget. Today, we're diving into how to leverage Capital One rewards on those daily expenses to supercharge your savings. Capital One has cards tailored for specific lifestyles, and figuring out which one matches your spending habits is the first step to maximizing your rewards. Take the Capital One Quicksilver card, for instance. It's the king of simplicity, offering an unlimited, flat rate of 1.5% cash back on every single purchase, every single day. If you like easy math and hate tracking rotating categories, this is your everyday hero. It ensures every single dollar you spend on dog food, online subscriptions, or a new pair of socks is earning you cash back. But maybe your biggest chunk of spending is on food and fun. That's where a card like the Capital One Saver One shines. It offers higher cash back in specific categories where most people spend the most. Think 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and, most importantly, grocery stores. That weekly grocery haul for the family suddenly becomes a consistent cashback machine. If you're always eating out or hitting up concerts, this card turns those enjoyable expenses into rewards. So, how do you truly maximize this? It comes down to two simple strategies. First, be intentional. Stop using your debit card or a non-rewards card for daily buys. Every time you buy coffee or gas, use the Capital One card that offers the best return for that specific category. Use your Saver One at the grocery store for that 3%, but if you have a Capital One Venture card, you might want to use it for those everything else purchases, since it gives you a solid 2x miles per dollar on every purchase. Second, redeem smartly. Capital One makes rewards incredibly flexible. Whether you earn miles or cash back, you can redeem for a statement credit to lower your balance, get gift cards, or even pay for purchases directly at checkout with partners like Amazon. If you have miles, you can redeem them for travel, or often for a statement credit to erase recent travel purchases you made. They don't expire, and there's no limit to how much you can earn, so stockpile them until you have a real goal in mind. It's all about making your money work harder, not just for the occasional big vacation, but right here, right now, in your everyday life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.